Hello everyone, in this video, I'm taking you into the fascinating world of color. Today's inspiration is Japanese designer and color theorist Sanzo Wada. In the early 20th century, Sanzo Wada developed a systematic approach to color harmony. His 1933 publication, A Dictionary of Color Combinations, is still widely referenced in fashion, textile, and graphic design today. So, what makes his work so special? Wada didn't treat color as just something aesthetic. He approached it scientifically and structurally. He created hundreds of balanced color palettes based on harmony, contrast, and visual rhythm. When we look at the summer 2026 trends, we can still see his influence: soft pastel transitions, bold yet balanced contrasts, nature-inspired tonal combinations. In fashion and textile design, the right color combination can define the success of a collection. That's why Sanzo Wada's work remains timeless. If you are a designer, or if you simply want to elevate your personal style, understanding color harmony is a powerful tool. In this video, we'll analyze a few Sanzo Wada palettes and reinterpret them through the lens of 2026 summer trends. Let's get started. Paint palette sparkles. Now let's analyze one of Sanzo Wada's color palettes. The first thing we notice is balance. None of the colors overpower each other. There is a soft dominant tone, a supporting mid-tone, a deeper shade that adds structure. This creates wearable harmony in fashion design. Keycap 2 Controlled contrast. Wada uses contrast, but not aggressively. For example, soft blue plus earthy beige plus deep navy. The contrast comes from value difference, not color clash. That's why the combination feels modern yet timeless. Keycap 3 Nature-based harmony. When we observe these palettes, we see something interesting. They already exist in nature. Sky plus earth plus shadow. Flower plus leaf plus depth. Our eyes trust these combinations. How to apply this in 2026? 1 dominant pastel. 1 energetic accent. 1 grounding neutral. This formula works perfectly for fashion collections. Color is not just aesthetic. Color is balance. It is structure. It is intention. Sanzo Wada teaches us that the right combination creates a timeless impact. In fashion and textile design, following trends is important, but understanding color harmony is powerful. Remember, style lives in the details, and the strongest detail is color. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite color combination in the comments. See you in the next video.